This is a quick video to show how to fix any LED lights in your KitchenAid fridge that might have stopped working. The easiest way to figure out which one is the issue is to start in the refrigerator and kind of follow the lights down from the top and then into the freezer and find the first one that is not lit. That will be where the issue is. Once you remove the housing from the refrigerator, you can then remove the PCB from the housing, and I'll show you how to solder in a new LED. I'm going to take my heat gun and I'm going to position it about a couple inches from the back surface of the board, and I'm going to heat that up. And basically you can watch and use some tweezers and figure out when the solder has melted, and you'll be able to then remove the old LED. You could also bake this in an oven if you saw fit. All right. Old LED has been removed. Now, I've tried previously just soldering these LEDs again, but they quickly fail again. So I looked up on a electronics website and found an appropriate match. This is the Samsung LED part number that I found that works. These were about 30 cents or so. It's a 5000 Kelvin 90 CRI light, 3 millimeter by 3 millimeter. Okay, so the first step to soldering the new LED is to take a bit of solder paste, which you may or may not have. You're going to apply a little bit on both sides. That was a bit of a mess there. Clean that up a bit. So you'll do the cathode and the anode side. All right, let's see here. See if I can't remove some of that excess paste that I have here on the one side before I go to solder that. Not that it matters too much, but I really did get way too much on that side. All right, it's looking better. And I'm going to take my new LED. You can see it's got a cathode side with the heat sink built right into it. Make sure you position that properly. I'm going to take my tweezers and drop that down onto solder paste. Exact position doesn't matter all that much. It will snap into place once you reheat it. Take my heat gun, again a couple inches away from the back surface. This is a 800-degree heat gun. Again, I'm going to heat it. And this time it'll be pretty easy, so you can just watch the solder paste transition. There it goes. And LED is snapped in. Okay. It's actually really propped up on the one side. Do an over application of that paste. Let me see if I can't reposition that a little bit better here. Come on. And I've certainly damaged my LED by now. There it goes. Okay. Wasn't the smoothest, but ought to work. Let me know if if you have any questions.